Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Lenovo Tab M8. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest way. Just open the Bluetooth settings by holding the Bluetooth icon in the top menu. Then go to the connection preferences and tap on the Bluetooth. Now just switch it off and switch it on again to restart the Bluetooth connection. You can also try to restart your device by holding the power button and the Bluetooth accessory. Okay, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode and it's visible for other devices. How to enable a pair mode you will find in the manual or maybe on your YouTube channel, so you have to check it by yourself. In my case I have to click 3 times this button and my headphones starting in the pair mode. Sometimes you have to push the button for few seconds, 5 seconds for example. You have to check it by yourself. Okay, if you are sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated a pair mode but it's still not visible on your device, you can also go to the settings and slide down to the system. Now look for the reset options, tap on the reset LAN Bluetooth and choose reset settings, configure pattern, and look for your device again after clicking this button. The next tip, you can also try to update your system. How to do it? Just open the About tablet, or not, sorry about that. You have to go to the system and look for the system update. Now check if you have any update, just install it, and after that look for your Bluetooth accessory again on the Bluetooth list. And the last recommendation from me, check which one gadget making a problem on other device with Bluetooth, like a laptop or maybe a other phone, to check which one are making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.